Imagine this scenario. It's half time in the game of life. The oranges are out, you're sitting on the sidelines and wondering why life hasn't turned out quite as you expected. The score is not in your favour. You feel like you're losing and you're not quite sure how you got there. Maybe you tried your hardest, or maybe you didn't try that hard at all, but either way, you're down points, feeling tired, disappointed, and wondering what to do next. In other words, you feel stuck and need a bit more space to get unstuck.
By stuck, you might be feeling confused about a relationship, or bored with your job, falling behind in your finances, or neglecting your health, or struggling in any area of life that matters to you.
In our third season of the Spacemakers, we're moving you from reset to unstuck, guiding you through the science of change when change is hard. More than a podcast, this pod course will help you make progress in one area of life, one step at a time, using our shift framework based on hundreds of hours of training and coaching.
Over 10 concise episodes, we'll help you reflect on your life in a holistic way. We'll introduce the science of strengths to help you focus on what's right about your life, not what's wrong. We'll unlock the power of way power, or pathways thinking, to help you find new solutions to old problems. You'll act your way into new forms of thinking by breaking down tasks, scheduling time, and trialing new behaviours. And finally, we'll encourage you to do this with others, because change is never a solo journey.
A heartfelt thanks to our sponsors from our beautiful state of Tasmania, Bulk Nutrients, Banjo's Bakery Cafes, and Blunston, and to the tens of thousands of followers from around the world who are part of the Spacemakers journey. So join us for the third season of the Spacemakers, because if you're struggling in the game of life, a little bit more space can make all the difference.